So does anybody think they have a start? Want to give us one? Or do I get to pick somebody? Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
I wasn't here last week, so I don't know what you discussed as far as doing this, but
Okay.
but I have an elevator pitch that I've been using for my documentary film.
Great.
And basically, the title of the film is 5 words, so I'm gonna just skip that.
Okay.
Since I'm supposed to be keeping this to 10. But I would basically say it's a documentary film that uncovers the bohemian life of an almost forgotten beat poet and experimental filmmaker.
Who is your customer?
Well, it would probably be someone who is interested in 1950s, 1960s avant-garde culture in primarily New York.
Okay, so if you weren't here last week, I have a really specific definition of customer, and I want to make sure we're on the same track. A customer is somebody that takes money out of their pocket and puts it in your pocket. Okay, are we still talking customer in terms of who you said?
Yeah, because it's someone who would want to see the film.
So you're going to show this film yourself? You're going to sell this film on a media? How does the funding work in this project that you're talking about?
Well, I would ideally like it to be distributed via sort of art house cinemas, like here in Seattle, the Northwest
Okay.
Film Forum, or sort of more art housey kind of.
Okay, so who then really is your customer?
Well, in that case, I guess it would be the theaters.
Yes, I think it would be. Okay, good. So now, let's look at what you said there and say, are you talking to your customer or are you talking to your user? Okay, I'm going to take an example that we talked about last week, a daycare. In the daycare, who is the customer?
The parent.
The parent, okay? So the elevator pitch has to talk to the parent. So thank you for stepping out on the edge, but I'm going to ask you to think a little bit more and work on this elevator pitch. You with me? Okay, good. So, is there somebody else that wants to go second?
Can we try?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there are no mistakes here. This is a refining process.
So, in my company, we can help you reach Latinos in a cultural efficient manner.
Okay, I like this stuff. Who's your customer?
Those who want to reach the Latino community.
And why would they want to reach them? Are they advertisers? Are they community org? What kind of people are you going to typically think are your customers?
People who wants the Latino market.
Okay, so they're advertising.
Advertisers, or they could
Advertisers.
be organizations.
Okay, great. So I like some of the stuff you said, but do you mind if I just write it out?
Oh, yeah.
Great, let's just go ahead and do that. So you started with in my company.
Uh-huh.
Keep going.
We can help you reach Latinos in a cultural efficient manner. Cultural relevant. Culturally appropriate. Relevant. What is yours? No, está bien.
Okay, so I'm not counting words, but I think it's more than 10. But that's okay. And I want to look at this and I want to underline the words that are the most important. What are the most important words? That's got to be one of the most important words. That's important. I love this word no matter what. Okay? When you say you are talking to the customer about them getting there. I like this word. And I wonder if there are any other words there that are important.
Any other words that what, excuse me?
Are there other words there that are important? If the person said, reach Latinos culturally, is that really what you're talking about?
I think in many cases, what we found is that a lot of people offer services to the Latinos by just speaking the language, but they don't make that cultural connection. Oh, I will say it. Yeah.
So we're reaching Latinos culturally, right? That's it. That's 3 words, right? So if I can put those 3 words in a 10-word sentence, I'm done, all right.
Yeah.
Okay? Because that's what you want to see. That's what you want to hear. And I'm not sure I like culturally efficient, but I like the concept. And we could wordsmith forever. But the idea is that these 3 words are irrelevant. Those are implied. If I'm talking about it, that doesn't have
We can
anything.
help you, yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Okay? So the idea is, let's get this down to what the person wants to remember. Okay? I mean, if we look at some of the sort of slogan kinds of things,
Yeah.
Nike, just do it. Just do it. That's the concept.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there's a lot of extra here. And so the thing that you practice in this process is somebody says to you, I've got this advertising problem with the Latino community. What do?
I can help you.
I can help you.
That's something that doesn't make any difference. We know you can help us. What are you going to say to them in 5 words? You're going to say,
I have the right means, the
I
right.
understand the community and how they communicate. Okay? That's really what you're trying to say in this culturally efficient thing. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
So that's what I'd like you to do. I'm going to give you one more piece in this thing, and that is the elevator pitch is as much to get rid of the people you don't want to talk to as it is to bring in the people you do want to talk to. I'm going to give you the elevator pitch for one of the companies I had a long time ago, and it will demonstrate this. We customize graphic file converters for legacy peripherals. Who's interested? You're not a customer, right?
Right.
Because I've said things that are specific to the industry, specific to my customers' needs, specific to what they do, and therefore I've lost 90% of the people. So as you're crafting, craft away from other things and craft to what you're doing. Thank you for being nice. I appreciate that.